Hello, welcome my dear viewers to my channel today, and this video I am making on special request. People ask me what is the color of what color I use for my hair. Okay, I use natural ingredients which I make the mix at home. Okay, and I will show you. Watch it very carefully. This is the main ingredient, the henna. Is premium quality, which is natural, 100% natural. Okay, this henna is conditioner, plus it gives color to your hair. Now since my hair is long, when I'm applying the henna, I will show you. Since my hair is long, this is the proportion of the ingredients that I am using. This is the cast iron, what to say, what do you say for this? Three, 4, 5 tablespoons. I have used 5 tablespoons because my hair is long, I must tell you. Proportionately, those are having bob cut, short hair, you proportionally put. Okay, I have used this several times. Okay, the next ingredient is jaswand. It is hibiscus flower powder. This also adds color, plus it is a conditioner. It's a conditioner for the hair. So I will be using it doesn't go. 1 tablespoon. You just see the color, how beautiful it is. They dry it, it is pure form. So exactly 1 tablespoon. For this, put it. Have you shown this thing? Okay. Then is shikikai. I don't know what they say in English. You know, these are natural, you see, they grow on the tree. You can see in the picture. Don't know if they have shown. See, they have shown in the picture. I don't know what they say in English. You can find it on the Google. This also I will use 1 tablespoon. The spoon doesn't go inside. Just have patience. Okay. I will provide you the links below. One tablespoon has not fallen so little. It should be heaped tablespoon. The mouth of this bottle is very narrow. Okay, done. This is fenugreek seeds powder. I make at home only and keep. And this also I have to put 1 tablespoon. I especially have made this for the hair. So 1 heaped tablespoon I put. This is also for conditioner, and it is medicinal for the scalp. This is amla powder. It is gooseberry powder, 1 tablespoon. This gives dark color and also conditioner. 1 tablespoon. This is the coffee powder which I ordered locally. Okay, I will use this. 2 heaped tablespoons I have to add directly. Sorry, 1 heaped tablespoon, because the other 2 heaped I have to prepare decoction. So it's only 1 tablespoon. Okay, now I have to prepare decoction of other raw materials. Now this is, I have taken 1 beetroot. Okay, I'm showing you the size. I have washed it and scraped it. Okay, 2.5 cups of water I will put and boil this till it becomes 1.5 cup of decoction. So let me put some water. Okay, 2.5 cup I put. Make a decoction of this. Scrape the beetroot. Then it gives you good burgundy color. You see, coffee decoction, beetroot decoction and tea decoction. It gives you a beautiful color, natural, and which is lasting. Only when the hair grows, and if it is grey, that hair will remain grey. And such a beautiful color it gives. And these are all natural ingredients. Boil it till it becomes 1 cup. So you're best assured that all the color from the beetroot comes out. It may be tedious, you know, my dear viewers, but best be assured these are all natural ingredients. There are no chemicals and very easily available. Okay, and it'll condition your hair and even it gives color. Don't use shampoo or anything, because you see, honestly, I never use any shampoo, and I will tell you with what I wash my hair. Next time when I apply the henna to my hair, I will explain to you and tell you what I use to wash my hair. I never use shampoo. So when you use all these ingredients, you will not have hair fall. And I'll also teach you how to groom your hair, to comb your hair. There is a method of combing the hair also. Okay. I will change the vessel because to keep it on the low heat and use it, I'll increase the flame, increase the heat. Okay, as this gets boiled and comes down to 1.5 cup, I will mix this thoroughly. All the dry ingredients that I put. Mix it, there should be no lumps. I put coffee, 1 tablespoon, and all these dry powders. I showed you all the dry powders. That's what I have mixed now. I'm waiting for that to reduce to 1.5 cup. Just a little more condense. Lost most of its color from the fruit, from the vegetable. Little more just to condense. Okay, I'll take it out from the and keep it to cool. Now putting 1.5 cup of water for tea decoction. One quarter. So I'll put 2 heaped tablespoons of tea and allow this to condense to half of the water. I will strain the beet juice. Just a minute. Yes. Just a minute. Done. Okay, this decoction is done. Okay, taking out. Leave it for some time because let it cool down. Now I am keeping for coffee decoction. One cup. Water is less. I'll bring it. Okay. Now, if you remember, I had put 1 tablespoon of coffee here for decoction. I'm putting 2 heaped. I'm putting it off. It's done. Okay, let it be there for some time. I'll strain the tea decoction. Here. I'll strain the tea decoction. I think let it cool down. Okay, and the decoction has to form. Meanwhile, I will show you the ingredients once more. Okay, and to strain the decoction of the coffee. Okay, first thing I will do is we'll put in all the coffee decoction. You have to mix it till all the lumps disappear. Now I will put in little by little beetroot decoction. You keep on stirring. You don't have to make it very liquidy because it has to be kept for 6 hours to get its color. And why do you think I put in the cast iron? Because this iron gets oxidized and gives further color. Now I will put in tea decoction, little by little. Mix it. Again, beetroot. Now, I will have to 2 tablespoons of homemade curds. I'll tell you why. This gives shine to the hair and also it is like a conditioner. I think I have to put little more henna because my hair is my hair is long. This will do because even if it remains, there's no problem. It can be kept in the fridge. Okay. 1 more tablespoon of henna. That's it. Don't be surprised. If you have short hair, you put less. There's no problem. Yes, I think this. And don't make it too liquidy consistency. Mix it properly. I think the remaining this decoction of which it has become more. Mix it properly. Yes, this is the way. Don't put more liquid because tomorrow it will become, the consistency will become more liquidy, I think. And cover and keep this outside, not in the fridge. Okay, it has to be kept for 6 hours. And after 6 hours, it has to be applied. Done. And suppose you mix it, there's one more ingredient I'll put. That is optional, but I love to put 4 cloves. 4 cloves, I'll get it. Okay, put. And some people mix it in plastic container, but suppose you mix it in plastic container, you put 2 nails in that, iron nails, and while applying, remove it before applying. But I prefer to soak it in this. Okay, this is the consistency, because once it gets matured in 6 hours, automatically the cover it. For 6 hours it has to be kept like that, and then it has to be applied.